Here we've got ZTE Nubia N1 Lite, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store, then tap on the More icon, and go to My Apps and Games. And here, under Updates, you will find all applications that can be updated. Actually, you have just one right here. So if you'd like to update this application, click on Update. But if you'll have some more updates pending right here, click on Update All, and then they will all be updated automatically. So let me mark it. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, so you can search the browser, call your friend, watch some movie, just do whatever you want to. And then if you will open the Play Store, you will be able to observe the progress. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.